Good day. Here is the easiest way how to remove yourself from Persopo.com. But, what is Persopo.com? Persopo is a data broker that publishes private data online. Sending an opt-out email together with your listing is required in order to unsubscribe from Persopo. During 10 to 20 days, your information will be erased. Now, here are the steps on how to remove yourself from Persopo. Step 1. Go to Persopo.com and look for your listing by typing your full name and selecting the state. Click Open Report after taking note of the details they display. Next, take note of any further details on the results page. Step 3. Email support@persopo.com with the subject opt-out, and type the information into the body of the email. Lastly, you will receive a confirmation email and your information should be removed in 10 to 20 days. That is all. Thank you for watching.